Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. Dahi Vada is one of the popular Indian snack. So today let me share with you how to prepare this Dahi Vada. Check out the ingredients. We need to soak the dal first. So here I am taking 1 cup of moong dal and half a cup of urad dal. Let's soak this for about 5 to 6 hours. Better to soak it at night. Now it's well soaked and double in size. Let's wash this. Now let's grind this into a fine paste. Transfer this into a blending jar. I'm adding 3 green chilies for this, enough salt, half teaspoon of cumin seeds and half a teaspoon of HING for this. Now let's grind this into a fine paste. The consistency should not be too runny. Now it's perfect. Let's beat this using hand or a spatula. Beat this till it becomes fluffy. Like 10 minutes it will take. Now it's smooth enough. Let's make vada. Heat the pan and add enough oil into it. Now the oil is hot. Let's pour the batter one by one using spoon. Try to pour from near. Fry this till it becomes golden brown. Now it's done. Let's drop this into a tissue paper. You can also prepare this by using hand, but it won't give the good shape for our vadas. So I prefer using spoon for making this vada. You can also make the consistency completely thick. That time we will get good shape. But to get smooth and spongy, I prefer to make the batter little bit thin. So continue same method by using spoon. Now our vadas are ready. I will show you how it turned. You can see the vadas are so soft inside. Now let's drop this vadas into a lukewarm water. The water should not be very hot. Now drop the vadas and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. Meanwhile, let's prepare the yogurt mix for this. This is a 1 kg yogurt. I am taking 3/4 of this. Better to take the sour yogurt. Now it's too thick. We need to make this into a batter, like a dosa batter. So first add enough salt into it. Let's add water little by little and let's beat by using spatula or a beater like this. You can also prepare this batter by using food processor, but I prefer to make in hand. So we will get the right consistency. When we prepare in food processor, sometimes the batter will be too runny. Now the vadas are spongy, well soaked. Let's squeeze the vadas and arrange in a tray. Don't press too hard so the vada will get break. Now continue same with the leftover vadas and change the water also. Don't make in the same water. And arrange the vadas on the top of it. Now let's prepare the seasoning for the yogurt. Add 2 tablespoons of oil. Add 3/4 teaspoon of mustard seeds. When it starts to splutter, add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Add 2 chopped green chilies, few curry leaves and chopped coriander leaves. Now saute it till it gets crisp. Now it's done. Let's switch off the flame. Now add this into a yogurt mix and mix it well. Mix it well. Now it's well combined. Let's pour this batter on the top of the vadas. Now pour the batter little by little, so it will go inside and it will soak the vadas perfectly. Now the vadas are completely covered with the dahi mix. To fill the space inside, let's tap it once and pour the rest over dahi. To sprinkle on the top of the dahi, we need to prepare a masala. First we need to roast the masala. For that I am taking 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, half a teaspoon of pepper powder, half teaspoon of chaat masala and half teaspoon of chili powder. Now let's roast this till it becomes fragrant. Once it's well roasted, finally crush some kasuri methi and switch off the flame. Now let's sprinkle the roasted powder on the top of the dahi mix. You can also use tamarind chutney or the coriander chutney for this. Now let's keep this mix in a refrigerator for about 1 to 2 hours and serve chill. My chilled dahi vada is ready to serve. Give it a try and let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel. Press the bell icon for my next updates. Inshallah, we'll be back with another simple yummy recipe. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.